State of the Nation Machinery Report. The State of the Nation report is an essential resource for farmers and manufacturers, particularly in the volatile agricultural machinery market, which is affected by commodity prices, input costs and confidence. Providing key news, information, opinion, sales and trends, it keeps you up to date from the experts. With comprehensive geographical coverage, improvements, delivery times and potential threats, it provides everything you will need to make key business decisions. Use this link to download the report or find out more about the real State of the Nation.